Hello everyone, welcome to my channel. So today's video is going to be very interesting. So you can see in the board there is a two pump. I have drawn my two pumps, and with the help of these pumps we are going to learn the table of 9 very easily. Now let's have a look how we'll do that. This is the multiplications with finger. We'll find out the multiplications table of 9 with the help of the finger. So this is my pump. I have drawn my pump, two pumps out here on the board, and these are the fingers. I'll name the finger. This is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and this one 10, right? So how we'll find the table of 9? Let's see, have a look. So 9 into 1. So this is the 1. So I will cover this one with a red pen. It will be better. 1 I have covered. Now you have to check how many figures are there before 1 and after 1. Before 1 there is no figures, so it's 0. After 1, how many figures are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Now, I'll figure 9 twos. So, I'll wrap this one. So, I'll mark now 9 twos. So, I will mark figure number 2 now. So, before 2, how many figures are there? Only 1 figures are there. And after 2, how many fingers are there? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. So 8. 9 2s are 18. Now 9 3s are 9 3s are 9 3s are. So number 3 I have to mark. Figure number 3 I have to mark. Now check how many fingers are there before 3. There is 2 fingers are there before 3. That is 2. And after 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So 9 3s are 27. Now 4, I have to mark finger number 4. This is the finger number 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. Now check again. Before 4, how many fingers? 1, 2, 3. 3. After 4, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 9 4 is 36. Now I have to mark finger number 5. So this is the finger number 5. How many fingers? 1, 2, 3, 4. 4, and after 5, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5. 9 5 ja 45. Now 6. I have to mark figure number 6. This is the 6. So there are altogether 5 fingers before 6, and after 6, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 fingers. Then 7. I have to mark finger number 7. 7. So 5 and 1, 6. Before 7, there is 6 finger, and after 7, there is 1, 2, 3 fingers. So 9 7 is 63. Now we have to mark figure number 8. This is the fingers number 8. So before 8, how many? 5, 6, 7. 7, and after 8, there is only 2 fingers. 9 8 is 72. Now 9 9 0. 9 9 0. So I have to mark figure number 9. So before 9, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8, and after 9, there is only 1 finger. That is 9 9 0, 81. Now we have to mark figure number 10. The last one, figure number 10. So how many fingers are there before 10? 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. And after 10, there is no such finger. That is, number of fingers is 0. So 9 10s are, so 90. So in that way, very easy way, by using our fingers, we can easily find out the table of 9. I hope it's very interesting. Thank you very much for watching.